software for EM client account emails converter. And are you searching for a trusted solution online? Corbett Software EM Client Emails Converter, perfect tool to bulk convert all emails from M client account in multiple format. Let's check out the features of this tool. Convert EM client emails to multiple formats such as PDF, MBOX, PST, EML, etc. Batch convert EM client emails to whatever format you want. Ensures 100% data integrity of your converted EM client emails. The tool puts no limitations on the files that can be converted. Now let's install and run the tool to check its working process. Simple and user-friendly UI is a major feature of this standalone tool. Now you can go to Open button and choose Desktop Email Clients option from drop-down menu. Now select EM Client Accounts option from showing pop-up window. Here you have three options to import your EM client account emails. First is Open EM Client Configured Accounts. Next one is Choose Folder. Last option is Load All Accounts. You can choose any option as per your requirement. Now select your configured EM client account. It will automatically load EM client mailbox. You can enable the Compact View button to view the important folder for the converting process. Select your EM client accounts folder from left side menu pane to load your emails. Now click the email to view the message preview. This way you can preview the email message with all the elements such as emails, properties, signature, sender information and more. The tool provides you with many useful tabs such as content that lets you see the full body content of the email message. Message header helps you view the detailed routing information of the message, such as sender, recipient, date, subject, and more. The hex view lets you see hexadecimal digit of an email message. Raw message preview for you can see selected email in raw message file format. As you can see, there is a search option that is called Quick Search. It searches keywords within the emails. Now enter a keyword in the search bar and press enter button for search. And you will see the result highlighted in yellow color. It's time to introduce one of the most beneficial features of the tool, Advanced Search. It finds information within the email. You can search in all fields like calendar and date, range, and more. Now pick the emails field you want to search information from, such name, subject to, CC, content and more. Click here to close Advanced Search option. Now go to the Export tab. It gives you multiple options to convert EM clients accounts emails such as EML, PST, MBOX, PDF, text, vCard, HTML, CSV and many more. Exporting option, you can pick any option as per your requirement and choose PST option from drop-down menu. Now you can mark the required folder and unmark the rest folder as per your requirement. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save the output. Now let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is open folders after export is done. The next is skip grayed out folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your files. Other, to create empty folders, please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next one is delete old folders if you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder. Next is an include email header. We recommend you disable this. Last option is create individual PSD file for each folder. Apply these advanced options as per your requirement. Finally, go to Save button and see the live process of EM client account emails conversion in PSD file format. After the export is done, click on Open Folder option to view the output. Thanks for watching.